Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. I've never showed this on my channel, so why not? This is the Leatherman Freestyle. Combo edge blade. I'm not a fan of serrations, but Leathermans are always great, so why not? I believe this is 420HC steel, but if not, correct me, and if it is, let me know too. It has a lock right here. Push it down and go over. You would hold it like this, or like this. It has a pocket clip, which is tip down carry. Wait, no, it's tip up carry, my bad. And then, not spring loaded, but they're pliers with a wire cutter and a wire stripper. Let me see if it will cut this. The wire strippers in here will cut part of this thing off. No, let me try it again one more time. Can you guys see that? Yeah. It made it whole. Yeah, a little bit. So they do work. Now let's try this blade. That cuts off. Try this. I'll try a bigger piece. More. Get these loose ends off because that's how I like to do it. Yep, this Leatherman Freestyle blade does cut. I'm going to do one more cut because I like to get the clean one. Okay, I like it. Yep, it does cut. It cuts real well. A lot of nasty edges, so like scraps. Getting off the bed. But it does cut. So let me know what blade steel this is, if it's not 420 or if it is 420. Is it loose? No. This is, again, a Leatherman Freestyle. The Leatherman Freestyle. Let me know what you think of the Leatherman Freestyle in the comment section below. And if you have it, how does it work for you? Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Look out for the guy girl to your left. Look out for the guy girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, your yummy food, your music, your video games. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.